Alright, so the first step to setting up Google Ad conversion tracking for your lead gen campaign is to create a Google Tag Manager container, and after you do that you'll be prompted to install Google Tag Manager, as you can see here. You can always access it also in admin here and install Google Tag Manager right there. It's the same code. First I'm going to show you how to install in WordPress, but as you can see the general instructions are to paste this first snippet as high as possible in the header tag, and then the second snippet just below the opening body tag. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop over to WordPress install right here, and we're going to add a plugin to help us install Google Tag Manager, and I've always just used this plugin called Header Footer Scripts. There's quite a few of them. I'm sure most of them probably would work, but this is the one I normally use, so I know this should work for you. Go ahead and activate, and then once that's activated you can access the tool under settings, header and footer, and then we're going to just install that script over here just like so, and that's it. Go ahead and click save, and then just to confirm that it is installed correctly, what we can do is go over to this Google Tag Manager workspace tab and then click on tags, and we're going to just create our first tag here so we can make sure this is working. So we'll do conversion linker. We're going to need this one anyways. Google always recommends to have this one just to make sure all the Google Ad conversion tracking works correctly. Go ahead and click save there, and then let's go ahead and click preview, and then I'll go ahead and get that URL and then turn off my ad block, and there you go. So we know Google Tag Manager is now successfully installed on this WordPress site. Then to make sure we publish this tag we created, go ahead and click submit. We'll just type conversion linker and publish, and giving a name to every version that you publish makes it easy to go back in this versions tab. If maybe a tag made your website crash, you can easily revert back to an old version, so that's pretty handy. Alright, that about covers it for our first video on installing Google Tag Manager on WordPress.